Imagine this, a tool that can turn your cutting tasks into a fast, efficient, and safe experience. You don't need to be a woodworking professional or a seasoned hobbyist to understand the importance of having a chainsaw that combines power, pliability, and ease of use. That's exactly what the DOVAMAN 2400W electric chainsaw offers, a technological gem designed to meet all your expectations. And if you think a chainsaw is just another tool in your garage, let me show you why this one could change the way you work forever. If you're interested, feel free to click on the link in the description to learn more about these unique features. See hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and order yours at the best price right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. This chainsaw is ideal for homeowners and professionals looking for a powerful, safe, and easy-to-use tool for their cutting tasks. Whether it's for maintaining a garden, cutting down a tree, or splitting firewood, it's suitable for all experience levels. The first thing that stands out about this chainsaw is its 2400-watt motor, made from pure leather. This detail may seem trivial, but it ensures lasting and consistent power. With an impressive chain speed of 15 meters per second, it doesn't just cut wood, it carves it with surgical precision. Do you have a gardening project, a tree to fell, or branches to clean up after a storm? No matter the task, this chainsaw tackles it with formidable efficiency. But let's talk about a detail that's often overlooked, the chain. Here, DOVAMAN makes no compromises. The 40mm chain and guide are made by Oregon, global reference in terms of durability and performance. This combination allows you to work on wood up to 38.5 cm thick, providing ideal versatility. For home and semi-professional tasks, whether you're cutting firewood or preparing materials for your DIY projects, you get a powerful and precise tool. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. And that's not all, the innovation doesn't stop at raw power. The tool-free tensioning system in one step, called SDS, revolutionizes the way you adjust your chain. No more hassle with complicated tools or wasting precious time. All you have to do is turn a knob to adjust or tighten the chain. Simple, quick, and efficient, it's a feature designed for those who want to maximize their time in the field rather than on adjustments. Another point that deserves your attention is safety. When handling a chainsaw, this criterion is non-negotiable. And DOVAMAN has understood this well. The integrated mechanical brake is a guarantee of peace of mind. If needed, it activates in 0.12 seconds, ensuring immediate responsiveness. The safety lock on the switch prevents accidental starts. And a protective cover for the guide bar adds an extra layer of peace of mind. Practicality is also part of the deal. Weighing in at just 4.86 kg, this chainsaw is easy to handle, even for long periods. Its compact design of 43 by 23 by 21.5 cm makes it easy to transport and store. And to top it all off, a transparent 150 ml oil reservoir ensures automatic lubrication of the chain. This feature not only extends the lifespan of your tool, but it also allows you to focus on what really matters: the cut. DOVAMAN doesn't stop there. To make your task even easier, 2 spare chains are included in the package. An attention to detail that reflects the brand's commitment to its users. However, keep in mind that the power cord is 30 cm long, which requires the use of an extension. A detail to note, but it shouldn't diminish the exceptional quality of this tool. I now suggest we recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. But don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features. See hundreds of satisfied customers' outfits and especially order it right now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Advantage number 1, high power, 2400W copper motor for exceptional cutting performance. Advantage number 2, ease of use, tool-free chain tensioning in a single motion. Advantage number 3, enhanced safety, mechanical brake and safety lock for optimal protection. Advantage number 4, practical automatic lubrication and a transparent oil reservoir for easy maintenance. Advantage number 5, lightweight and compact. Weighing just 4.86 kg, it's easy to handle and store. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, short cable, requires the use of an extension cord not included for more flexibility.